Hello. So welcome to another session. So today we'll be discussing the question on which is related to a binomial variate. Okay. The question is, if in 6 trials x is a binomial variate which follows the relation 9 times probability of x is equal to 4, which is equal to probability of x is equal to 2. Then what is the probability of success? So success probability is denoted as P. So we need to find out the value of P. So in question it is given that there are n 6 trials. So the value of n will be 6. Okay. And it follows a binomial distribution. Okay. So we know that in case if x is a variate which follows binomial distribution with the parameter n comma p, then the probability mass function p of x can be written as probability of x is p of x can be written as ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x, where is n is the number of trials, x is the number of successes, and p is the probability of success, and q is the probability of failure. Okay, here one condition is given, that is 9 into probability of x is equal to 4, which is equal to probability of x is equal to 2. Okay, so using this condition, we need to find out the value of P. Okay, so in this condition, we can expand it as 9 into probability of x is equal to 4. When we substitute the value of x is equal to 4 in the probability mass function and n is equal to 6, then the PMF form will be 6c 4 into p to the power 4 into q to the power n minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, which is equal to p of x is equal to 2. That is 6c2 into p square into q to the power 6 minus 2. That is 4. Okay. So it will become, we know that when NCR is equivalent to, that is NCR is equivalent to NC n minus R. So here you can see that 6C4 is there and 6C2 is equal. 6C2 is there. So which is of this form. So it will be, answer will be the same. So we can cancel these two. That is 6C4 and 6C2. Then what will be remaining? 9 into p to the power 4, q to the power 2 is equal to p to the power 2 into q to the power 4, right? So here p square is there, p raised to 4 is there. So we can cancel that. 9 into, only p square will be remaining. Here q square is there, q to the power 4 is there. So in the right hand side, only q square will be remaining. So we got the relation as 9p square is equal to q square. We know that q is equal to 1 minus p. Okay, so we can write it as 9p square is equal to 1 minus p whole square. So we can take the square root. When we take the square root, it becomes 3p is equal to 1 minus p, right? So here 3p is there. In the right hand side, 1 minus p is there. So when we take minus p this side, it will become 4p. That is 4p is equal to 1, which implies p is equal to 1 by 4. So the probability of success, its value, we got it as 1 by 4. So that from the options, option B is the right answer. So for this question, option B is the right answer. It is just a direct application related to a binomial variate. I hope all of you understood this question. So we'll be coming with more questions in the coming videos. Till then, bye.